So the room is now stripped and ready for me to prepare, ready to paint. And maybe you're thinking how you're going to do it, because looking at these walls now, there are some blemishes, especially on the ceiling. See all those little patchy bits? And if I tried to fill straight on that now, that paper is so dry and porous. My filler just wouldn't spread. It would just kind of like get sucked into that paper because it's so dry. And the paper would want the moisture from my filler. So that's the wrong way round. You've got to prime it first and seal it. Give it a good old drink so it's no longer thirsty. But what do you give it a drink with? Some people might just put emulsion, but that's not really going to do the job. It kind of would give it a drink, but it's not really going to make it a nice slippery surface for my filler to go on. So spend more money on decent products. And what's it going to be? We all know Zinnser, my favourite brand. Here we go. And this one is Zinnser Drywall Pro 2-in-1. So it primes it, which is to give it a drink, and it seals it, that kind of gives it a slipperier surface. So when you slide your filler on top of that, it will smooth out beautifully. The other advantage of using this, on the walls where I've got any little blemishes, and there are some, it's like if there's any little flaky bits of paper coming up, it's really hard to see, but like little bits, get my finger out of the way, little bits like that, or where there's like fluffy bits. I don't know if you can see any fluffy bits. I can see them because I've got a hawk eye. Any seams that might be coming up. If you put on magic paint, Zinnser, it will seal down those edges and stick things back together, and any fluffiness will just kind of lie back down again. And then it's a lot easier once you've primed it and sealed it that you can lightly sand it. And any other little fluffy bits that are still sticking up can be lightly sanded off. But if I sand now on dry paper, I end up sanding off more than I need to because it just doesn't know when to stop. So do it after you put your primer on. And you use a bit of nice fine sandpaper like this one. This one's really fine. Oh, 320, see that? 320 means it's really fine. If it was 40, it's really scratchy. Yeah, the higher the number, the softer the paper. So that's what I'm going to do. Put on my Zinnser magic paint, and I'm going to do it with this little roller here. I could use a whopping great big roller, but that sucks up more paint in your roller. Then when you wash your roller, you lose loads of paint down the plug hole, waste of paint, and it takes longer to clean. So in this size room, I'm just going to use this little roller and that brush and that paint kettle. Oh, so what's the name of the magic paint? No cheating. Come on, what's the answer? Do I hear you say, Zinnser? Best paint you're ever going to buy. You pay for what you get. Cheap sometimes, buy cheap, buy not twice, but probably 10 times over. Spend your money on decent products and learn how to use